ya Afrika ya irathiro Mbitika-Ini iria iragithi na mbere cia inaugural World Rapid Chess citanyiitwo kana hanika kwambia tariki 26 nginyagia tariki 28. Timu ino kurugamirirwo ni Captain Benjamin Magana, Robert Makliego, Robert Joroge, Joseph Mathu, Joyce Nyaruai oro hamwe na Isaac Babu. Captain Benjamin Magana augite ati Mbitika-Ini ino nimekota kumathira bũrũri wa Kenya nguga oro hamwe akiuga agithi na mbere na kuga ati ari na witikio munene na athaki aya.
KCB chess team is our best in the country. They have been leading the league for the last 10 years. KCB is helping us to manage the talents that we have in the country. And we are praying that we continue to have a partnership so that we continue impacting the life of the young people, because I know KCB stands for transformation. It stands for impact to the youth.
We are honored, deeply honored, to welcome you here today as we see off our KCB chess team to Germany ahead of the 2023 World Rapid Chess Championship in Düsseldorf, slated for this week. Our team, the KCB team, is headed out for the hunt of the year in a competition that will see them battle it out with some of the world's best players.
Riu tugithi Mbitika-Ini iria iragithi na mbere na guthako na ni ati muthaki uri hutagia gabira gakurihwo na kirabu kia Manchester United no ri kaine ta Mason Mount ukorwo ja Mbitika-Ini iria United me ukorwo magithaka na timu ya Nottingham Forest na ni thutha wake gukorwo akiena ngurero ndumiriria ikoretwo ikirekererio ni kirabu giki. Mount aragiire ngurero ino iria United marakorirwo makiona na kirabu gia Tottenham